warning for northwestern Dallas County in north-central Texas, northeastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Irving and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near University Park, Highland Park, and Cockrell Hill around 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Westlake. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35E between mile markers 421 and 441. Interstate 30 between mile markers 33 and 52. Interstate 45 between mile markers 279 and 284. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.